Hey there, my name is Isa and today we learn how to do Nauli Kriya. Nauli is one of the 6 main kriyas, also known as the Chakriyas or Shakamas from the Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Nauli purifies and rejuvenates the abdominal region and is based on a non-dangerous massage of the internal belly organs by a circular movement of the abdominal muscles. It's especially good for your stomach, your intestine, your liver and spleen. The benefits of Nauli are clearer skin, good overall health, a flatter stomach and a smaller waist. It's great to relieve menstrual pain and it lifts the mood. According to Ayurvedic teachings, it strengthens and harmonizes Agni, your digestive fire, and balances your 3 doshas. Nauli is also one of the abdominal mudras and activates Manipura chakra, your navel chakra, giving you confidence, courage and enthusiasm. For most people it takes a while to learn Nauli. So remember, everything is possible with regular practice. At first we do Uddiyana Bandha. For this we have a comfortable distance between our feet. We bend our legs, we put our hands on our legs. The thumbs are pointing outside and the fingers inside. The elbows are pointing out. The head is slightly lowered. And then completely exhale and from here suck your belly in as much as possible. Next step is doing Agni Sara. For this we perform Uddiyana Bandha again. Completely exhale. And from here, we alternate from sucking the belly in to pushing it out. We can do this in 2 ways, a slower, more controlled one and a faster, more intuitive one. With the next step, we start our Nauli action and do Madhyana Nauli. And again, Uddiyana Bandha first. Next, press your hands against your thighs and allow your rectus abdominis muscles, your straight stomach muscles to come out. Pressing the hands against the thighs is the secret here to achieve Madhyana Nauli. Now we are doing Vama Nauli, pushing the left straight stomach muscle out. Do Uddiyana Bandha and then press your left hand against your left thigh. Feel how your left straight stomach muscle comes out. Next, Dakshina Nauli. It's the same like Vama Nauli, but this time we are pushing our right straight stomach muscle out. For this we do Uddiyana Bandha and again feel how your straight stomach muscle comes out, this time on the right side. Now we start doing the wave-like movement with our belly. First Uddiyana Bandha, then put pressure on your right hand, then both hands, and then your left hand. Again, right hand, both hands, left hand. Try to move as smooth as possible. There are some steps you can follow if you want to learn Nauli. It's best to practice in the morning when your stomach is still empty. The first step is to practice Uddiyana Bandha, the abdominal lock, every day for a month. Step 2, after 1 month of practicing Uddiyana Bandha, you start practicing Agni Sara for a month. And step number 3, the final step, start practicing Nauli every day. By the end of the month, you should be able to do it in a proper way. Repeat Nauli 5 to 6 times or for as long as there's still power in your abdominal muscles. If you enjoyed this video and think it's educational, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And if you don't want to miss anything in future, just subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. And before I forget, I would love to hear how your Nauli journey is going. So keep me updated in the comments. It took me a while to learn it and I'm interested how you are doing. Thank you for watching. See you soon.